What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the tasting table, and today we're talking cigars. So why are we talking cigars today? I'll tell you why. Over the last few weeks, I've been getting many requests, a lot of comments from different guys asking me to talk about my cigar collection, asking me what I smoke, how often do I smoke, why do I smoke, and believe it or not, the love and passion that I have for tequila, I have an even greater love and passion for cigars. I've been smoking cigars longer than I've been drinking tequila. You know, I love cigars. I've been smoking cigars probably 15, 16 years and daily smoking at least for the last 7, 8 years. So that being said, I truly love cigars. I enjoy cigars, and I have an extremely high passion for cigars. From collecting cigars to smoking cigars to collecting lighters and ashtrays and all kinds of cigar stuff. I just love it. I have a whole cabinet full of this stuff. I have memberships in some of the most prestigious cigar clubs in the world. You know, and believe it or not, with this whole pandemic that we had for the past couple of years, it really made it tough for me to visit these clubs. You know, some of these clubs were shut down for long periods of time. So that being said, it'll be an honor for me to talk about my cigar collection. It'll be an honor for me to discuss what I smoke and recommend something to smoke for you guys. And what do I pair my cigars with? Do I smoke and drink tequila? Do I drink whiskey, bourbon, cognac? I mean, it depends on the cigar. It depends on the mood. It depends on the day, the time of day. So that being said, today I would love to start with one of my top 5 cigar brands. This is Plasencia. I think the Plasencia family is a top 5 brand for me personally. Amazing history, amazing heritage, quality of the cigars. I mean, I've never had a bad Plasencia cigar. I've only had good and better, honestly. This particular box is the Plasencia Alma Fuerte. This is the Alma Fuerte Numero Dos, meaning this is the second release of the Alma Fuerte name. They had a release a few years back, which was for a while one of my top 5 cigars. I mean, that Alma Fuerte Salmon was a home run. I mean, I still have boxes of them, and I still talk about them, and I still smoke them. You know, not as often because they're getting difficult to get, but at least once every couple of weeks, I'll take out a Salmon and I'll enjoy it. Nice hour-long cigar. This particular cigar, it's a Nicaragua Puro, meaning everything in here is Nicaragua. The filler, the wrapper, everything you see here is Nicaragua. Price point, I would say on average $20 a stick. Now, that's not the cheapest cigar. They're definitely on the pricier side of cigars that you can actually buy and that are available to buy. However, 20 bucks, I'm not saying it's a daily smoker, but I'm saying that this cigar is something that you will definitely enjoy. This cigar, if you're gonna smoke this, you need to know, number one, this is a 6x60 in size. So you have 6 inches in length and 60 millimeters in ring gauge. Now a 6x60 will typically take you at least 1 hour to smoke. So if you're gonna sit down and smoke this cigar, you need to allocate at least an hour of your time to enjoy this cigar. This is pure perfection of a cigar. Now, is this strong? Is this weak? What is this? In my opinion, this is a mild to medium body cigar, okay? This is not a very strong cigar, but it's not a weak cigar either. This is not your entry-level cigar. This is something for someone that has been smoking cigars and understands the complexities, understands the flavors of a cigar. This is what I would call a sophisticated cigar, okay? So that's number 2. Number 3, this cigar is what I would call pure consistency. From start to finish, there are no surprises. The way you start the cigar is the same way you're gonna end the cigar. The same flavors, the same strength, nothing worse, nothing less. absolutely consistent cigar. Next, let's talk about the flavors, the aromas. This cigar is going to give you some cedar, some almond, some pepper, and believe it or not, this particular cigar will also give you notes of vanilla, which is really weird in a cigar, but believe it or not, this particular cigar is going to give you some sweetness, and you'll feel it. I can promise you that. Now, segueing into what you're going to pair this cigar with. Now, like I said before, it depends on the time of day. So if I'm smoking this cigar during the day, I'll typically make myself a double espresso, and I'll have this cigar, and it's a perfect coffee cigar mix. Now, if it's in the evening, and if I'm relaxing, if I've got some friends over, the perfect blend to this cigar, in my opinion, is the perfect blend that matches the flavors, the complexity, the aromas of the cigar in a tequila. And for this particular cigar, my recommendation is the Adictivo Extra Añejo. Why? In the Extra Añejo, you get some pepper notes and you get some vanilla and caramel notes, which are very close to what you're getting in this cigar. Now, it's a sweeter tequila, 100% agree, but with a sweet flavored cigar, the match on this is unbeatable. Absolutely amazing, amazing pairing. Next, when you're smoking this cigar, this particular cigar, and I would say the Plasencia brand itself, has one of the creamiest, thick smokes in a cigar. When you're exhaling the smoke, I mean, it looks like a cloud. It looks like a cloud coming out into the air. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, creamy smoke. Now, I also don't want to forget to mention the shape. So we talked about the size. It's a 6x60. Now the shape itself is called a Sixto because it has 6 sides, kind of like a hexagon, right? And it's a box press. So it's a beautiful, beautiful, I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but I'll definitely zoom in. So as you can see, I have an enormous passion for cigars. Literally, I just got this box on Saturday, and already 2 of them have been smoked. Excellent, excellent cigar. Let me know in the comments below if you've actually smoked this and what you thought about this cigar. Let me know in the comments if you have any favorite cigars, if you want me to discuss any specific cigars. I have cigars in my humidor that have been aging for the last 15, 16 years. I've got cigars that are super collectible cigars, and I really plan on making different types of videos on all of these cigars. So again, in the comments below, let me know what you want to see, let me know what you want me to discuss. Unfortunately, I can't light this up and smoke it in here because my family will kill me. But this is the Plasencia Alma Fuerte Número 2. Excellent, excellent cigar, highly recommend, and cheers.